Instawork is a flexible gig platform designed for folks who want to take real control of their work schedule and income, especially in industries like hospitality and warehousing. The core idea is straightforward. Businesses post shifts when they need extra hands, and workers get to browse these opportunities and claim the shifts that fit their own availability. This means nobody's stuck to a rigid 9 to 5, and it opens up the chance to earn up to $30 an hour, which is genuinely competitive, especially if you grab those urgent shifts or take on roles during peak times, as those tend to pay more. Getting started with Instawork is appealing because there aren't any upfront fees. Users can create an account, build out a profile, and start browsing open shifts in their area with no initial costs. The app's design makes it possible to book anything from just a few hours of work to multi-month commitments, which is ideal for anyone with an unpredictable schedule or someone looking to supplement existing income. Payment is another strong aspect. For eligible shifts, workers get paid instantly once the job is done, which is a massive plus compared to traditional weekly or bi-weekly pay schedules. For those who rely on quick pay for bills or daily expenses, this feature really helps. Instawork takes worker reliability seriously. There's a thorough vetting process that includes background checks, phone screens, professional references, and collection of skill data points. Over 30 of them, to be exact. This means businesses get a sense of who's coming in, and workers with good ratings unlock more shift opportunities and even earn things like top pro status for bonuses. There's also occupational accident insurance for 1,099 gig shifts and workers' compensation for W-2 shifts, which provides a solid level of protection if anything goes wrong on the job, an important factor for anyone working physically demanding positions. The selection of available jobs on Instawork is pretty broad. There's a wide range from bartenders, bussers, and line cooks to picker, packers, merchandisers, and more. Instawork gives full access to shift instructions beforehand, so it's easy to walk into a job feeling prepared, and there's support available through the app every day of the week if anything comes up during a shift. Still, there are a few things to keep in mind. Since the app relies on local job postings, availability can vary by location. Major urban areas tend to have more options than smaller towns. Because Instawork is competitive, workers with higher ratings and good reviews tend to get first pick at choice shifts, making it harder for new users to break in and consistently find high-paying roles right away. And as with most gig work, there's less long-term job security and no traditional benefits, so juggling multiple gigs or planning for slow periods is something to factor in. In summary, Instawork is a versatile tool for anyone wanting flexible work and the chance to earn good money quickly, with clear paths to increase earnings and gain rewards over time. The instant pay feature, quality controls, and insurance coverage all add real value. However, work consistency can depend a lot on timing, reputation, and regional demand, and users need to weigh the unpredictability and benefits compared to full-time positions. For those needing quick, flexible income and who don't mind working in hospitality or related fields, it's definitely worth checking out, as long as they keep the risks and limitations in perspective.